What is up, guys? It's Zenny Aviation, and today we're reviewing three models which I got for my birthday. The first one is the Air Canada 767-300 freighter, Air Canada cargo. This is probably the biggest. This is probably the biggest unboxing that I've ever done. Three models is the max for me. So let's just go over our three aircrafts. The first one is the Air Canada cargo Boeing 767-300 freighter. This one is a cargo version of the Air Canada 767, and this is a Phoenex model review. This one right here is an altitude. I believe it's a Panda model, and this one is a new one. And this one is gonna help me with my WestJet fleet. Right now I have three WestJets, 737s, I believe, two 737-8s, one 737-700. So this one is gonna join that fleet. So now I have four WestJet Boeing 737s. So if you want to look at the back, so this is the front. This is the back. Sorry. This is the back. This is the. Hold on. Let me focus. All right. This is the. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. This is the Boeing 737-700. I believe this is a Panda model. I got this on West Coast Diecast. And this is a Panda model, I believe. You can read the specs and details over here. And the next aircraft, which I didn't show you in the box, let me just zoom out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is a Phoenex model aircraft, and it is I've been meaning to get this for a long time, but haven't found the time to get it. It's a very good model for collection, and I'm gonna be putting this on showcase. That video is basically to showcase the model in operations, I believe. So we've done only one showcase video, and that's the series 900. So we'll do more. Okay. So this one is one, and now if you want me to show you the other side, this is one side. This is one side. Sorry. Sorry. Hold on. Okay, so I'll show you this side. So this side is the this side is the limited edition version. I actually like this a lot. On the back you have the CN Tower and the red colors. Over here you have the edition, limited edition, Boeing product. And then our last aircraft that I'll be adding to my collection is this aircraft. Sorry, let me focus. So this one is the Delta Connection Series 900. This one is needed because Delta flies everywhere in Canada, including CYYC, Toronto, Montreal, almost every Canadian airport. And Delta did use the Series 900 in the past. So these are our aircrafts. Now most of CYC's WestJet aircraft are going to be painted a new one. So far they're painting the Dash 8, Saab 340, WestJet 737-700, WestJet 737-800. So they're painting all those. So this is the front. The registration on this aircraft is Charlie Golf, Victor Juliet to October. I'm not too sure. Now you can search the registration on the internet, on FlightRadar, or wherever you want to do it. So this is the left side. I think the right side. Hold on. This is the right side. Okay, hold on. Alright, so this is the back side. This is the front, and this is the back side. This is the front. You can read the specs and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, it's a Panda model. Okay. This side just says the name of the model. This one says a Boeing 737-700. And then on the other side it's the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Let me just. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. On this side we have the Delta Connection Boeing Bombardier CRJ 900. It's 25th anniversary. This is a release, and Delta. Let's show you this part. This part is the aircraft taking off. You can read the specs, especially high quality gear, high quality stuff like landing gear. Realize jets. Okay, and this you just have the picture of the aircraft. Now, Air Canada Boeing 767-300 freighter. This one I need for Toronto Pearson, but this also flies to CYC sometimes. This one I need to grow my WestJet fleet, my WestJet 737s. I hope they release the WestJet 400 because I want to buy those. And then this one, is Delta Connection CRJ 900. I need this one for most of my Canadian airports because Delta is pretty common. It's very common at airports in Canada. Like you know, Vancouver, they'll be there. They can be in Alberta, CYC. They'll be there. They're everywhere basically. Yeah. Alrighty, so let's unbox this one first. But before I unbox it, I want to give you some information. So the Air Canada Boeing 777 freighter joined the fleet long time ago, and basically it was flying for commercial service. And then COVID hit, and then now they're using it for cargo flights. And they're very connective to they're very awesome. They're easy to, so this Air Canada cargo, basically it's easy for this one to fly in Canada, whereas the other Air Canada ones, such as the Rouge one, the Air Canada the Air Canada New Livery, but this is the one that actually flies to CYC. I saw it many times, but this is the one that I've seen. Let's open it up. So I'll hold the camera like this, and we will open it up. So I want to show you how to open it up, but yeah. This is a Phoenex movie, but I know they've made the GemeniJets. So let's open this up and let's see the model, and then we'll also zoom in. So yeah, hold on. Let me just hold it like this. All right. Okay. Alright, let's open it up and see what is in this box. Alrighty. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, okay, let's focus. Alright, so here's the box. Alright, let's see if we can see that. Alright, so you have the front nose landing gear. You have the cockpit windows. You have the door, the entrance door on the front. I don't know what you call it. You have the kind of logo. You have some things on the front that help you determine the weather and forecast. You have the landing gear. You have the engines. You have the registration. You have two landing gear. And you have the engines. And yeah. Alright, let's show you the back upside down. Alright, so when you look at the engines, alright, so you have the landing gear. Hold on. You have the landing gear. You have the front nose gear, and you have the tail that has a logo. You have the elevators, the landing gear rolls. Yeah. Alright, the next aircraft I'm gonna unbox is the WestJet 737-700. Charlie Golf, Victor, Juliet, October. And this is the Boeing 737-700. This is the front. This is the back. Sorry. Alright. So this is the back. Panda models. And then the child stuff not good for 14-year-olds or younger than 14. Okay. Alright, let's unbox this. Alright, so this is what's in the box. Yep, okay. Alright, so this is the aircraft itself. Yeah. Alright. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, let's move the box and then I'll show you the model. Alright. Alrighty, so this is the WestJet 737-700. Alright. So over here we have the cockpit windows. Alright. Alright, so you have the cockpit windows, you have the wheels, the roll, you have the new livery, you have the wings, you have the blue on the side of the engine, you have the registration, which is Charlie Golf Victor October. Yeah, okay. Let's move this upside down. Alright. Alright, so this is the okay, so you have the landing gear that rolls, you have the front landing gear, and you have the winglets. Yeah, so this is another awesome model. This does lots of flights to America as well, so it's a very good model. Yes. Alrighty, next one. Common visitor in Canada, because they fly everywhere in Canada, including Montreal, Toronto, sometimes Saskatchewan, many other places as well. But the ones that I think they fly to are these ones. Let's also look inside. Maybe that could be something. Yeah. So let's see. Alright, so that's the inside. Alright, let's open this up. Yeah, so this, alright, let's open this up. Alright. Alright, so this is the Delta Connection Crj 900. We have the copper windows. We have hold on. We have 2 doors on the wing side. We have the APU. We have the elevators. We have the rolling landing gear. We have the winglets. We have the fuselage and the landing gear. I'm not gonna flip over because this model is very it's very gentle and stuff. So like you have to be careful with it. Yeah. So this is the model. Okay.